Great game, great game. It's a huge win. A lot of good performances, but I gotta say, the belt goes to Cody Bellinger.
Thank
Go,
you.
bro.
I appreciate it. But you deserve the belt.
Nah, man. I mean, you had a web jam, a couple big knocks. This is going to you.
You're fluent in Spanish.
Yeah, bro, pero tú también.
Tú eres Ben Arroz.
Y tú, belly bomba.
But you scored the winning run, you picked the ball, and you hit 2 home runs, and I only hit 1. So you deserve the belt.
I'm sick of this, bro. Honestly, I mean, this act is getting old. You're a lot better. Just take the belt.
Thank you, but I'm not going to take the belt because you're way better than me, so you have the belt.
You're the greatest.
No, you're the greatest.
You're the greatest.
I hope that you have... Wait a second. That was perfect, I think.
Was that in the script?
Yeah, that was in the script.